Hello, good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Positive Channel. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So in today's video, we're just gonna do an ASMR closing the doorknob. So I'm just gonna turn my doorknob today. But before we get started, I got a comment from a subscriber. It was from the I Spice video that I did. So the comment says, "You are so much better than me. I try singing. I cannot sing. LOL, but great job." And I just want to say thank you so much, because sometimes when I try to sing something, I'm not gonna say I'm perfect, but I like to do that because that can build up my confidence and not be afraid of doing something that I love. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So I'm going to be turning the doorknob now. Okay. Can't see my face. Hold on. Okay. Alright. Okay. And then this one. Alright, guys. So other than that is it. Sorry, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below what you guys think about this ASMR turning the doorknob. I don't know if it's interesting, but I try my best to see what I can. Okay, so I still have more ASMR vlogs to do, and then when I finish that, then we could go back to our regular voice. Okay, alright, so then this vlog right here, if you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my social